You know what the best thing to do with new aftermarket sheet metal is? That's right, cut it up. All right, here we have what's left of the 1970 Mustang hood skin. The reason I cut it out like this is we're going to use this center section, kind of the raise here, on the 67-68 convertible project. And I cut it kind of weird shape like this because the 70 nose is a little more peaked. So this way I've got the center section we're going to use, the peak of the front, and I can graft this on to the new 67-68 hood and inner structure as well. So later on down the road, I'll disassemble the 68-67 hood, and then we will put the shaker scoop in it, and then put this skin over top of that and kind of fit everything together and make it blend, but weld it all together. So stay tuned for all the progress on this hood project.